that it's running. So then I go here, I make sure this is running, and then I go here and make sure it's running. So I don't know why YouTube's not starting. So then I go here, I make sure this is running, and then I go here. Wait, why is the sound coming through? We're supposed to be muted. So I don't know why YouTube's not starting. That's weird. I guess that mute really doesn't work. Wait, why is the sound coming through? Okay. So there we go. So now we just share this on Discord. So we announce on Discord.
Why is it coming through?
I don't know. I thought we should be muted. Maybe that doesn't work. I guess we should.
No, it does
So there
work,
we go.
so it's...
So now we just share this on Discord. No, the sound's coming through. So
Yeah, no, I don't know what's going through.
so there we go. So now we just share this on
Oh,
Discord. Yeah.
'cause now you're unmuted.
Well, no, I was muted before. So
I know, so I was trying to figure out what is coming through.
yeah, I don't know.
Because it sounds super muffled.
Yeah. So anyways, then I just share this on the Twitter. Even though I don't have much of a Twitter following, I share it on the Twitter. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. So that's the final thing I do. Well, no, I was muted before, so I share it on the Twitter. Bam. Even though I don't have much of a Twitter following. And then I'm going to hand over. NephewElite's going to be trading. I'm going to go to my appointment. So that's the final thing I do. And then set these up so that you can watch these chats.
Yeah.
So this is where the chats
I'm
are.
probably move that chat over there. That's how I like it.
Yeah, however you would like it. You just set it up. And then I don't know if like my hold on.
You're good.
Well, I'll let you sit down and I'll go on the and then I'll go to my appointment. Announce yourself. Break yourself, fool.
Oh shit! They don't give me the driver's seat.
Well, I'll let you sit down and I'll go.
Welcome to the true stream. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, I'll let you sit down.
Hello, everybody.
Real man.
How come I can hear myself?
Announce yourself. Break yourself, fool.
Welcome to the true stream. There's like overlay from all three.
Everybody.
Yeah, well, you should turn off the videos so that number one, you're not streaming it, you're not using bandwidth. Make sure you turn off.
So like just pause them. That's what I usually do. Okay. Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the stream. As you guys can see today, so I started off the morning. I want to say like I think I started around, I don't even know, I think like 9:30 or so. And I was down for a little bit. As you can see, I kind of pulled back. I don't have that many contracts because my fees are pretty low, at least for me. Usually my fees are pretty much the same price as my actual profit. So it's like, we don't really make that much. But today we're doing pretty well. I'm really focused on my entries today. Trying to get down, either catching the momentum, or if I can see that it's clear and I'm getting a lot of signals that it's going to be going long or short, I can kind of fade it. So that's kind of what the goal is here today. As you can see, I got the 5-minute chart and the 30-minute chart. But for the members in the training den, you guys know I'll be using the 4-chart layout. Yeah, well, everyone, welcome. I guess we just start trading then. Okay. So let's see. We're kind of in a range here, at least on the 5-minute and the tick chart. So chart 2 for members is kind of what I'm using for my, not my control. My control is probably going to be my 5-minute chart for now. Yeah. Oh, hello, Nathan Wall from TradingView. Welcome to the stream, guys.
Alright, I'm out. Audi 5000.
All right, have fun. Like I said,
Rex is here.
you might want to bring him up with you.
He might need to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, if you're gonna bring him up.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm excited to start trading. So I'm pretty much gonna get into this as soon as we're kind of set. But I'll be listening to music and I'll kind of be sending what I'm listening to into the chats. Like I said, this is demo. This is a demo account, so like I don't want you guys to think I'm making like this crazy amount of money or anything like that. This is demo, but I'm taking it as serious as I can. You know, obviously it's you train how you fight. So I'm gonna be doing this demo account probably for a couple more days until I'm consistently green, and then we'll be moving on to live money. But you guys can kind of see because I've done one live. My first day trading, I live streamed. I did pretty good, but it was a little rough the second day, and so we've been just analyzing and trying to perfect everything we can since then. So yeah, all right, let's get to trading then. Okay, kind of stuck in this little range here. If members looking at chart 2, it's kind of hitting this third deviation down here, and we could expect a reaction, as well as this is gonna be on. Was this just today's open? Huh. Okay. All right. Well, let's just. I'm gonna put my music in because it's kind of awkward in here. It's just me. But I'll be listening to. I don't know if anybody here likes Suicide Boys, but that's like my favorite artist. I've been listening to them for a long, long time. Maybe I'm feeling some Katy Perry today, though. You never know. I do love me some Katy Perry. Okay. I think I'm gonna try to enter it down here. See if it hits. Maybe it bounces back up. So on our, from what I can tell, momentum and bias are both gonna be going short here. Which is, I shouldn't probably fade this move. I should probably move with the momentum and bias, but what time is it? It's also almost 1:30, so we're gonna be hitting that half-hour mark, and it's probably gonna be a little rough for me. Everything is dark in this. What do you mean? 1 second, guys. What do you mean it's dark? Sorry. Hold on, I'm gonna go Discord real quick. Dude, what the hell is happening? Okay. Can someone in the chat just let me know if it's too dark in here? Maybe you can put up your 4 charts on NQ and go over how come you took your trades in certain areas today. I can't. We're Mr. Hayes, we're trying to keep the system kind of for members really, and then the streams are going to be more for everybody to see how we're trading. So I don't really want to put my 4 chart setup in there because it's kind of for our members and for the system. So that's why I'll be referring to the charts up here, but I'll actually be trading my 4 chart system. I can kind of explain to you the trades I took today. I can go to the 5-minute chart because I don't really like this little range that it's in right now. But I pretty much just read all the goodbyes, like, so let's see. I bought in when it hit this low. I literally was like, this is the last low before this was, it was like the most recent, like, strong level that I could see that was this low. And I saw intention that I wanted to kind of go lower, but it closed almost on the same, it closed at almost the same spot where that one also closed at. So the open was here, carried a strong level, and from there, I just kind of rid this puppy all the way up. Like I always say, well, most people don't know this, but I just say that I let it, sweep me off my feet like I'm a princess and take me all the way to the money. And that's what I pretty much did. And it got me, I think, $100 or so. And then I just kind of did scalping here and just made some good trades. So, sorry, it's probably going to be a little boring for a minute because I'm just trying to make good, effective trades with our system. So I'm not going to really be just free balling it and sending all these crazy trades. But if you guys get a little bored, I obviously got to turn up for you guys. So, but we shall see. I really want to go in here, but like I said, I want to be very safe on how I'm. So let's see. This strong level is very useful for me. So I'm going to use this, because this will show up on all my charts. So like I said, for the members, chart 2 is what I'm really playing off here. Just trying to get everything down. Okay. No, we'll just... Yeah, I think I'm enter here, actually. Because we're at here. We got the daily open. For my members, I'm looking at chart 3. Kind of seeing where the market is kind of trying to tell me where it wants to go right now. Because it is kind of like stuck in this range. As well as it's not very volatile right now, so I don't know how to play this. I'm just going to send it, honestly. Well, I'll send my... Sorry. Like I said, I'm not used to streaming, so I'm going to be a little quiet and awkward at times, but if you guys ask me any questions too, I can try to answer in the best of my abilities. But like I said, I'm not an elite level trader. Don't let the name fool you. One day, but... Alright. Let's see. It's still staying kind of at this strong level down here, you can see. If you're on the tick chart, you can see that it's consistently making these strong levels down here at the third deviation. Which third deviation, if you guys don't know, is this. That's what I call it, but they call them extreme bands too. The third extreme band right here is what I call the third deviation, and that just is a whole nother topic I can't even get into. But that's what I'm focusing on my right now for reaction, because I can see that this is a reaction zone, as well as this strong level. There's 2 alpha candles that are created a majorly strong level on both sides. And this is breaking the 50% of the fib. Not that I use the fib, but it's just something you can look to as well. I did some studying on the fib, like I think yesterday or 2 days ago. Not really my style, but I do like it. I think it shows a lot of good intention, as well as I think it's a good indicator, or I don't know, it's a good tool. Dan, can I did you look at Apex? And by the way, if you ever do Apex, make sure you use a coupon for 50% off. I went through with my uncle last night. We kind of made, I don't know if it was a video or a stream, honestly. It was pretty late, but yeah, we looked at it and he was kind of explaining it to me, and going through what Apex is kind of. It's kind of a cool concept though, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know if I would probably do it, Mr. Edge, but thank you for at least reaching out to me and talking to me about it. So anybody here seen movies or anything? If you guys want to comment at all, I can obviously respond. I should probably start trading. Okay, let's start trading. I don't know. Bias and momentum are telling me to go short here, so I want to, if it pulls back, I think it might come to test the RDA. Because it's keeping the strong level down here. This is, I think, so it broke this one. Sorry guys, I'm looking at chart 2 for members. Chart 2, at the tick chart, I'm looking at where it's creating these strong levels on the lows when it's going short. And it's on its almost 4th break, I would say. But it's also testing, I think this is the weekly open. I'm looking at chart 1. If someone can also explain me what this light blue line is, if you guys have the same chart up as I do, that'd be cool. Because either this is the daily open or the weekly open. But I can tell that's a reaction zone. It's a really strong indicator. It broke it once down here. As you can see, like right around here, it hit this spot, and this is right underneath, which I think is the daily open. Take a wait, what? Take a piece of paper, then write it down, see the difference. Alright, I'll look at it tonight, Mr. Edge. You're suggesting it, I got you. I'll pull up and see what this got. Okay, I need some music. If anyone's in the Discord, you can send me a song in the music in the music server or music chat. Because I'll definitely read it. Or I'll look at it. Because I need some Suicide Boys or some Katy Perry. Some T Swizzy. I'm just kidding. I actually don't listen to those, but it's really not going to pull back up. I know it's kind of slow right now, guys. So I get it. You guys probably trading the same thing, or if not, I don't know what's going to do here. It looks like it wants to react here, because even on chart 4, it's out of reaction zone, but it just seems not to be reacting. It's kind of confusing. No, I appreciate it, Mr. Edge. Like I said, thank you for putting it out to me, and I'll look at it. Like, I'm not gonna, diss you and just not go look at it. I'll go look and see, and obviously talk to my uncle and see what he thinks too. Because if it's something good for me as a young starting trader, then, might as well do it. So, I'm just letting you know it might not be for me, but I'll still look at it, check it out. Momentum short. Yeah, momentum and bias are both short right now. And that's what it's going for every single chart that we have here, but I think it's going to react right down here where it's at right now. It depends if it closes underneath this strong level right here. And if it does, then it might shoot for, let's see, the next strong level is going to be at 930.75. Right. Let me see. Huh. Okay. Thank you, Kellerman, though. I probably should have gone short like a long time ago. But I really feel like this is gonna go long here. I think it reaction shoots back up and does a fat rip. I'm like watching it happen. I'm not buying. This is crazy. I'll just put some in here.
Order filled.
It's kind of bad entry on my part, but oh dang. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Edge. Yeah, it's kind of a bad entry. I wanted to enter down here, but I didn't really pull my buy up down fast enough. Is this still dark on stream? Someone in TradingView said it was really dark. And am I supposed to turn this on Discord so you guys can hear me or something? How does it even work? Honestly, I'm just lost in the sauce out here. Hope this isn't a bad trade. I kind of want to flux 10. Oh my goodness. I almost dropped 10 lots in that thing. Would have for real been up. Alright, sweet, Mr. H, thank you. Alright, I guess I think this is gonna kind of, like I said, maybe it sweeps me off my feet here, and we just ride the wave. Like, I refer to the green candles as
order filled.
Okay, hold on. I might have to get out here. this hits that red extreme band, I'm getting out. And it was a bad place to enter. Okay. We're just going to hover over the exit market and cancel. Even though it's only 2 contracts, I don't really want to play with it because I'm going against momentum and bias. I should probably restart here. Yeah.
Order filled.
It was a bad trade. It is what it is. Yeah, see, I want to buy down here because I don't think it's going to go past this. From the signals this give me, it's... Or you know what? Actually, I might be dumb. I might be dumb as heck here. Because it could just be wanting to go short. I don't know why I'm trying to go against momentum. This is literally how I lose in the afternoons. I make money in the morning, and in the afternoons I just decide to go crazy. Like, just need to chill out.
How you doing? You haven't given all back yet, have you?
Huh? No. I just lost like $10 though. I haven't. That's my first trade. Like,
Trying to bottom, but it's being a little stubborn with it.
yeah, it's being very stubborn.
So we'll see.
So is this? So can you explain this one to me again? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Edge.
Can I what?
So is this the daily open?
No, that's the opening range low.
Okay, opening range low. This is the daily open.
Yeah.
And then that's the opening range high?
No, that's not the daily open. We don't even have the daily open on this. We could probably find an indicator that does it.
Oh, okay.
But you're gonna see that on TradingView.
Okay. And then this is the, what is this then?
What?
For the hourly chart?
What do you mean? Oh, that's the opening price of the NQ.
Okay.
So of the MNQ. So you can go here.
Uh-huh.
You can go to price levels, and then you can see that's the opening
Oh,
price.
yeah.
Or there you can go to the settings and change it.
Oh, yeah,
I
that's...
usually take it off, but I mean it is a factor. It is something important. But the NQ opening price isn't as important as the index opening price. That's what's more important. Everything is dark this due to poor
Give me
connection.
that low. No, I just asked.
Oh,
Mr. Edge said it was fine. So do I put my voice in here in Discord too?
yeah, you can do that. Join the active trading channel.
So now they can hear me through stream?
No, I don't think you're connected.
Oh, it's... No,
Oh
it's
yeah,
green.
no, you're connected. Yeah. So now the voice is on Discord.
Okay.
So I'm long at 75 contracts.
I should have stayed here. I figured it was going to go long.
I caught that bottom.
Yeah.
I'm up about $5,000.
Yeah. Damn it, I should have. Because I literally caught it right here.
But I will get
And
out
I
of
sold
it
it.
at the 970 if it gets there, or it sells off from here.
I think it's going to pull back here and I'm going to buy it.
Yeah. But I'm
Yeah.
still up about $3,000 now.
Come over.
I want to try to make 20 or 30 grand here.
Come to Zaddy.
All right, I'm outie 5.
A wild Kate appeared.
I got Rexy. Rex is down here with you. I'm going to my appointment. I'll be back. See you.
I think Rex is not going to be happy. So it should have just bought in. Hey, you know, I'm not gonna try to follow it because every time I try to follow this thing, it just never works. So usually what I do, I don't know if for members, I usually have my chart 3. Nah, you guys probably have your own thing. It's all good. Never mind. Okay. Well, let's see here. I need to catch this because I want to ride this up. So I want to buy like probably. Is he gonna dip back down and touch this strong level again and then go back up? I think it might. I forget you guys can only see this. So. Well. There's a lot of people watching. Nobody wants to just like tell me what type of music they like or favorite movie. So I could talk to you guys at least about something too while I'm trying to trade this. I think this is going to pull back and hit this last strong level check, and I think it's going to rip up. So I'm gonna buy right here. Actually, I think I'm gonna put 3 down. We go big numbers around here. Put 3 of the contracts right down here. I have this stupid base to protect thing. Alright, it's looking like it's getting a little volatile. Volatile. No one's saying nothing? Come on, help a brother out. Did he say it was long until what level? I think he said to the RDA check, I think. Because it might react right up here. If you guys can see. I don't know if you can see on this screen. But this is where the RDA is on chart 2. This is where the slow momentum indicator, or fast momentum indicator, sorry. As well as, hey, I don't know. My uncle sometimes goes long for the craziest stuff. Like, he assumes that it's just going to go all the way up there, and he's usually right, so I can't. I have a Xbox. I have Xbox Series X. Trying to get a PC, though. Become Master Race. Okay, if it's not going to come down here, I'm just going to put it right here. Maybe it pulls down, hits this fast momentum. This is on chart 2. For members. It's all dark. I can't see nothing. Why is it like this on TradingView? Mr. Edge, can you go to TradingView and see if it's dark? Or if whoever's in Discord? Because on my screen it's still... You can see everything. Dude, I really just need... I want to ride this up. I want to participate. See, this is where it might react and go down, though. This might be the first... This is the first RDA check in... Like I said again, I'm on chart 2 for members. For non-members, I can kind of explain to you what I'm doing here. Right here, you can see it's reacting at this fast momentum indicator. This is a reaction zone, as well as it's inside of this bigger candle over here. So I'll grab my... He probably won't like this, but it's a good way to do it. So it's also... You see how crazy this is? I mean, you guys all probably know. Okay. Thank you, Fat Juicy Candles. You guys probably know this, but I'm very new to trading. So I've only been trading for about a week. For people who are new. Only on YouTube, I don't use TradingView Live. Pretty soon I'll go for a walk. Okay. Well, have a good lunch, Mr. Edge. Mr. Nephew, what's your screen name? By the way, thanks for your service to our country. Oh, thank you for your support, brother. I appreciate it. What's my screen name? NephewElite, I think, if that's what you're asking. Anyways, but if you can see right here how perfect it's reacting at the 50% line for the Fibonacci. Like, if I'm pretty zoomed in here, yeah, it's okay. Well, it's pretty much perfectly reacting at that fast momentum indicator as well as the Fibonacci retracement tool. I don't know what the thing's called, dude, honestly. I just know stuff. I just do things. Okay. I need to participate in these trades. I'm tired of not playing. So I think it's going to pull down to here. We'll buy. Dude. Just come down. Literally just pull back. Pick me up. We can all go together. We can go to... What's up here? Hey, we go to 242. Together. As a team. Is that Fibonacci on the candle left part of the system? I didn't see a video on it. It's... I don't know how much I can... Well, it should just be... it's not really part of the system, but it's something that I've just recently been looking at more. Is a lot of candle by candle, because obviously you want to use the system, but I wanted to just see, because my entries are really bad for a long time. Like I still have pretty bad entries, as you can tell. But what helped me was seeing where the pack, if you guys know what the pack is, just means like the alpha candle or a very important candle. What's the actual term for it? I forget. But this big alpha candle right here, you can see it played a big impact on where this was at, because this is the 5-minute chart. And so you can see on the 30-minute chart, this same alpha candle is both those. So if it's in between this, it's most likely going to be, or not most likely, but there's a probability that it's going to react to both the 25, the 50, the 75, and the 100. So it's just something that you can also look to for a tool. That's what my uncle told me, at least, and so I've been looking at it more. It's not part of the system, it's just something I've been testing, yes. Sorry, I also talk fast. Dude, is this thing gonna come pick me up or what? And he's lucky I don't have... If I had noise machine or the button thing on here, you guys would be hearing some crazy, outrageous sounds. Like, some actual... I probably put all Darth Vader stuff on here. 100%. If anyone's seen Obi-Wan, it's like recently one of the best Star Wars shows out. Very, very good. I don't know if you didn't hear like Star Wars, but very good. Season 3 of Mandalorian just dropped too. Okay, I need to participate. So we're gonna sell up here. It's gonna react up here, we'll sell.
Order filled.
Unless the thing just... If this thing just blows up, I'm actually very sad. It should not enter.
Order filled.
You know, it is what it is. Well, this is kind of like zoomed out so far. There's like a lot of lines up here. Let me move some of this stuff for you guys, so then I can kind of talk about what my plan here is. So I'm going short right now, because I can see it's reacting here at the fast momentum. I'm looking forward to seeing Obi-Wan. I'm going to lunch. Okay, have a good one. Have I ever used the 200 EMA? I've used a version of the 200 EMA. But the system that I'm a part of, my uncle's system that he made, is what I'm using more. And we have our EMA and SMA implemented into this, our indicator set. I think it's displayed in our extreme bands as well. To get that full experience of what everything is, you'd actually have to ask my uncle. Sorry. I just kind of trade it. I just kind of know what it does. Not the why, but I'm figuring out the why. I hope this reacts and goes down again. As you can see, there's a lot of intention here, but every time it's getting rejected pretty hard. This one did close underneath this last strong level, so it gives me some confidence, but not much, because this one, it really depends where this one closes at. Because momentum is still short for now, but on everyone looking at the 4-chart setup, you can kind of see that momentum's almost changing, because it's going to the fast momentum indicator on both chart 1 and chart 3, and momentum is shifted almost. I thought you were winging it with a bunch of EMA. Sorry, you said you only been training for a week. Yeah, no, I get it. Like I said, I'm not like a pro or anything either, so that's a good little jump for us. So this is a $3,000 account, so like small profits are going to be huge. One of the things that my uncle says all the time is to take your profits in thirds. And low-key, I am winging it, dude. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just know kind of how everything works. but nothing is mastered and nothing is really even honed down. So I'm just trying to trade as best as I can in my ability for you guys, so at least you guys can kind of see my process, or like, because I'm a very, very new trader, so you guys can see what I'm working through our system as well, so you can kind of see both. You can kind of see from a starting viewpoint of a new trader is kind of what we were trying to accomplish in the beginning here. And I really enjoy trading. It's a lot of fun, and I think streaming is a lot of fun too. Doing better than 95% of the people who start. Oh, I appreciate that, but you should have saw my yesterday and the day before. I was in the negative for a lot of my profit, and then at the end of the day, it kind of came out to be okay. But I'm gonna get out here because I think it's gonna react.
Order filled.
Just get that $30, which is pretty good money. Am I really not allowed to like play music out loud? What if it's like not? Look up non-copyright music. I wonder if that's a thing. For those of you who don't know, I'm 22 years old, so I know I seem like very young. But I do appreciate that. Fat Juicy Candles. That's a pretty dope name. Okay, this is... What the heck? I'm just nervous I'm gonna get copyright striked. So, you know what? Maybe I'll just sing a song for you guys, if that's what you want. Let me just double check something. I'm checking our Discord chat to see. Because I'm on my uncle's Discord on the computer, and then on my phone, I'm on mine. So that's where I can actually see what's going on. Okay. So, if it reacts again here at this strong level on chart 2, or as you guys can kind of see where this lasts, I think this rejection low is like actually where the strong level is at. So, if it closes underneath there, that could give us a signal that it could be going short. Oh, Ninja Trader Shark. I like them fatties. That's dope. I like the name, honestly. It's pretty dope. 11. Oh, it's globes range low. How do you know all this, Ninja Trader Shark? Like, is there an indicator, or could I see on TradingView or on TradeAvate where the globes range low is, or do I have to go on TradingView and look at that? I can pull TradingView up. Huh. Well, let's get some trades. I think I'm gonna buy here. Wait, you said low? 11.90.
Order filled.
Dang, I did not mean to actually go in it. Oh. It's getting a little volatile. I'm getting out of here.
Order filled.
Let's see. I kind of want to ride this wave down. If you have TradingView, I can get you the indicator. Yeah, I have TradingView. So is it an indicator? Is that how you know what the globe's range low is? And is the globe's range for the index? Like, I honestly don't know a lot about this stuff. It's pretty cool learning everything, though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so huge rejection here. It did make this strong level kind of down here. It's trying to react. Both bias and momentum are going short. Sorry, I'm trying to look and see. What is this green line? Oh, okay. As you can see up here on the 5-minute chart too, right now we're very far from the RDA, and the RDA acts as a magnet. So I'm going to keep that in mind going in here for these next trades, because I think it could still probably react. Yes, it is. How far the market moves overnight, then added, subtracted from the Yoten. Oh, okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty crazy. Some of the stuff in trading is like, who came up with this? Well, I guess there's probably a huge background on it, but I just think it's insane. I always thought trading was like stocks. Like you could only trade stocks. I didn't know what futures was. And I didn't even really know that you could trade crypto. I'll be honest with you guys. Because when I was in the Marines, when Doge flew up, I watched all my buddies buy Doge, like at the very top, and then it dropped back down to like, I forgot what price it was even at, but when it dropped all the way back down, and they lost all the money inside of it. It's cracking me up. Cause they're like, you should buy, dude. I'm like, there's no way I'm buying when everybody's got attention on it now. Central bankers use those levels, the big guys. Oh, really? By central bankers, do you mean like hedge funds? Damn, I should have went down. I should have got in there. Now things can go long. I'm gonna buy. Actually, it might dip. Maybe it's getting rejected up there. Momentum's changing on chart 2, but it's not changing anywhere else. Yeah, I think it's gonna. I'm gonna buy down here. I'm expecting some pullback from this RDA check. This is the first RDA check, so I should actually go short. I'll probably go short here.
Order filled.
I'll just sell and market. It is the first test of the RDA. All the other charts are telling me that it's still bias and momentum short. But on chart 2, it is changing to go. Well, momentum's long right now, so I might want to get out of this trade. I keep making bad trades. Dang, it just gets real quiet. So I do appreciate you guys engaging and sending me messages. Oh my god. My friends are just so dumb. They would just send me ugly ass photos of them. Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss. Sorry. For those who can't see, I made a pretty bad entry here on chart 2, but you can all see up here. It's kind of a bad entry. I was trying to catch this low. Obviously that didn't work because it's going lower, but I was trying to catch this high, sorry. And then go low. What up, Neff? Of course, brother. Any interactions, good knowledge in this game? Yes, sir. Oh, hello, Brian. What's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. So I'm up 441. My fees are 85.47. That's the lowest I've ever seen my fees. I just want like everybody to know this. Never mind. That's also the lowest of trades I've ever had, and contracts. I probably should watch this though. This might be a bad trade. I'm gonna get out. You know, it's $4. Wait. It's kind of stuck in this little zone here. It's just reacting at the RDA. For those of you who can't see the RDA, but it's reacting at this fast momentum indicator. Yeah, I should get out.
Order filled.
Momentum's changing. Momentum has changed. Yeah, I think it's going long. It's also reacting. You guys can't see, but on chart 4, members, it's reacting at the fast momentum indicator. It's trying to. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this. You probably all know this, but I'm watching that it's reacting at the fast momentum indicator on chart 4. It's also reacting up here on the 5-minute chart, the fast momentum indicator again. And there's also a strong level right below this, so this might be the last strong level. Because it kind of stair stepped down here after strong level to strong level. I don't know if there's like a pattern for that. I don't know the actual word, so I really think it's going to go short still, so I want to fade down here or up here. I'm just kind of worried. Let me check my trading view chart real quick and see if it's giving me any more signals. Like any confirmations for anything. think it's gonna go short here. It might drop down to like right there at the extreme band. I hope so. This would be a nice little scalp. I gotta get in here. Should make a really good entry. I'll put it up here. If it comes back and tests the fast momentum again, put the RD8 in my chart 2, then I'll get picked up and I'll just write it down. I'm so nervous. Every time I get on the live stream, I just get nervous. But I made good trades today. I don't know why I'm not doing it. There's also not a lot of flux or volatility here. It's pretty stuck in this little area. But I can still catch these. I just gotta play smarter. Hello, Skills. I saw you were in the chat earlier. Welcome back. Fat Juicy Candle's name just cracked me up, I'm telling you. I like them fatties. You tell him. I don't know if he's even still in here, but I think it's a dope name. So no one's got music choices or notes on crypto? Actually, so one of our members, Ninja Trader Shark, was telling me about NFTs. I don't even know if you're listening to this, but if you are, you should. Anything on NFTs you want to send on over, you can always do that too. I'd be more than grateful. Because I usually watch all the stuff you send to our Discord chat. So it's momentum's somewhat shifting, and on. Oh, you are. I am. Oh, you do trade NFTs? Is that what you're saying? Oh, you're watching. Sorry, I just registered what you were saying. Okay. I really just want to turn some YouTube on, listen to some Suicide Boys and trade. Talk to you guys. Oh, you are listening. Okay. Well, thank you for listening. You're probably doing some good trades here. Are you just trading the or are you even trading the M&Q? Sorry, delay an answer. You're good, man. You just not like NFTs? Do you trade crypto at all? I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on crypto. Because from what I've heard from my uncle, crypto's pretty crazy. That's some pretty crazy stuff. Crypto, I think they're down. Like, they're about that life. I went down the rabbit hole of looking at crypto. Some pretty crazy stuff. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm not even freaking trading. Okay, let's focus up. I need some music. If I get copyright strike, forget it. It is what it is. I'm gonna turn music on. I don't want to have to bother you guys with it though. I just don't want to be so quiet in here. Okay. This probably be a bad entry, but I just want to kind of be along for the ride. So
Order filled.
And that was probably an overshoot, so I should have entered there. It was a very bad entry. But we'll see. Both these strongs. I'm hoping that it just flies up to the RD. I'll ride that all day. So I'm going to put some... I don't know why I do this, and you guys can probably tell me in the chat. Which chart are you replying to? Because YouTube is not moving. Okay, so... up here, this is for Michael. I have this is what I'm showing you on the stream chart, but underneath this, I have my 4-chart layout, and this is pretty much from the Rex Dog trading system. This is not my channel, by the way. This is my uncle's channel. He just taught me a system, so I'm trading it. And if you wanted to know more about the 4-chart system, you could... Oh, chat. Oh, I'm looking. So I have sorry, I have TradingView up, and I have this needs to go long for your boy. Hopefully it reacts here at this fast momentum and RDA. and just shoots up. Because if I just... No. I'm just losing money out here. I gotta get out of there.
Order filled.
I knew I shouldn't overshoot. The chat I'm looking at is on Trading View. Or Trade View. No, it is Trading View. Sorry, I'm like literally dyslexic. Reading Trading View as well as I'm in the Discord and on Twitch. I'm just trying to read all the chats and trade. Okay, so create a strong level down here on chart 2. This strong level can also be displayed right here on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, there's a lot of rejection. It does not want to go past this third deviation, and I think it like almost tested this strong level, reacted, got rejected, and it's going up. I've heard from watching your past live trades with your uncle that you're more a 5-minute trader than a 1-minute trader. Oh, I'm not actually trading on this 5 chart or this 5-minute. I'm actually trading through my tick chart. But what you guys are seeing is this. Only the oldies, XLM, XCC. Well, this current market will be on the Stellar Network by the end of the year. As far out as that may sound, when it happens, you'll know who to ask the questions to. Though you can make much now before it goes. Oh, okay. Do you trade on TradeOvate in Trader Shark? Or I actually don't know what system you trade on. And I only know of 3, so it's not like I know a lot. I know NinjaTrader, I know TradeOvate, and I know Sierra Charts. There's probably a bunch more out there. So it's testing this fast momentum indicator again. You can see a lot of intention as well as rejection on both sides of this. AMP futures on TradingView. Oh. Okay. I've been wanting to trade on TradingView. I want to see what it's like. I've been streaming for an hour. Does not feel like that. Okay, I need to really focus up, start making some bread here because I'm at 416. I need to I'm just trying to make some bread. Let's get it. Okay. The strong level. See if this will show up on the 5-minute chart. Okay, well it's up here, I guess. Alright. I really want to participate in some trades here, but it seems like we're kind of stuck. What time is it? It's 2. We got some time. So do you only trade futures, NinjaTrader Shark? Because I know what some of those are, like XLM. Actually, I don't know what any of those are. I don't know what XCC is either. Okay, let's see it. This is somewhat of a nice, strong level 2. If this closes above here, I'm going to go long. So if it closes above this spot, I'll go long. But if it closes underneath this, it might overshoot too because it's the third deviation out there. How is that NephewElite doing? I'm struggling. If anyone in the Discord wants to let my uncle know. Struggling. I'm too nervous. I just gotta get I gotta get into a trade. I really want to enter up here. I think it's gonna sell off. I think this is another overshoot of the RDA. And it's actually no. I think this might go long. It's the recapturing momentum here on the 5-minute chart, and it's trying to go back and test. Not try to, but it's a high probability chance that it's gonna come and test this slow momentum indicator, and then also come test the RDA. Because it's been a long time since I've seen this. So I'm actually going to probably enter here. Probably going to enter down here.
Order filled.
Get picked up. If this
Order
goes short,
filled.
I'll literally be so I'll throw hands.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna make sure everyone can hear me. I really hope this.
Order filled.
Okay, now it's looking a little sketchy. Put my cell down here. Just have a stop loss just in case. I feel like it might come down here and test this level, but I also have a good feeling on the signals I'm receiving that it wants to go long here. It's recapturing momentum on the 5 minute. Or trying to at least. And also on my chart 4, it looks like it's trying to regain and capture momentum again. But on the 1 hour chart, dude. Actually, what am I thinking? 1 hour chart is saying this thing is going just short. But it's also if you look at the 1 hour on chart 3, sorry for members, you can see it like 12. There's a strong level that was based here at 8. Oh, this is when the market opened. So it made this really strong level. It came down and tested it at about 10 a.m. And it came back and tested it again here at 1. And then now it's kind of going up from here. So it could have reacted down here at the strong level. It tested it twice. It didn't break. It held. So I think that's why I'm going long here, because I believe that second test was a full test, and I think it's going to continue to rip up. So we'll kind of flow here. We'll just be like right underneath. Yeah. So we'll let this thing rip up. And so I'm not going to take profit out here. I know he likes to take profit in thirds. I like to ride this puppy up. And it might react here and go down, so I'm just going to get ready to sell. Quick little 70 is nice. I want to get up to 500. I could probably get it. It might come down to test the RDA again, so maybe I should get out. It's looking pretty volatile right now. It's moving quite a bit. I might even drop down for members. I might drop down from the 497 to the 297 ticker. I actually prefer that one. I went on to the 50 ticker. I think it's crazy. Never in my life have I seen. I went in there at like what's like 1 or 2 yesterday. Whew, that thing was moving. Let me tell you. I'm gonna raise up my stop loss just to above the fast or below the fast momentum, because I feel like it's gonna come down and probably test that. And if it does, it's either gonna come down and test the RDA too, and I'll just get taken out there because I want to take it out of profit. But if it doesn't fully test, then it should just keep ripping up, as you can see. Looks like buyers are stepping up. My boys, they know what's good around here. We step up. We make big trades. I should have gone for 6. I was going to go heavy down here, because I figured that was probably in. So, for a lot of you who couldn't see, on the 5 minute chart here, it's kind of looks like I have a weird entry. But on chart 2 for members, you can probably see I entered at the second strong level at 209, where those two, both that Lord Farquaad and Shrek Gang candle kind of emerged. Right above that, it's kind of stair-stepping too. You can see on the chart 2, it's stair-stepping here. On the 5 minute chart, you can't really see it. It's like kind of moving like that. But on chart 2, I can really see the stair-step movement that it's making to go up. So that's something to look for. Like I said, I'm not a very good trader. Okay. Ninja Trader Shark said, I trade futures, yes. ES mainly, but like following you guys on NQ and CL. I like them a lot too. Easily, I mainly buy XLM. What the hell is XLM? And then swap for tokens on the new SDF network, which is what people do in the future later this year. This is crazy stuff. Every time I talk to you, Ninja Trader Shark, I learn like the craziest stuff. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty insane. Because you sent something about Elon Musk too, right? I don't even know if I can
Stop
talk.
filled.
Oh, dude, are you serious? Maybe I can catch it again. If it comes down here and tests this RDA, I think it's going to jump again. I'm going to try to catch it. I think we catch this. I'm confident. I'm technically trying to fade here, so. Even though I'm kind of going with momentum. But. I'm expecting a pullback here. Oh. Come on, pullback. I'm expecting a pullback at the fast momentum indicator. On chart 2, for members, I'm looking at. If you're looking at chart 2, you're seeing the same thing I am. It's like fast momentum, RDA, and the slow momentum indicator are like all combined next to each other. I'm expecting some type of reaction here. Momentum is changing, bias is changing. On our 5-minute chart, same thing's happening. It's trying to capture the slow momentum indicator. Even on chart 4, you can see the same thing. It's momentum is changing. So, in my belief, it's going to go long here. I just don't know when it's going to rip up. But I assume that low that it had are Elon's tokens are on xlm.org. Wait, so I had a question for you actually, Ninja Shark. I forgot what I was gonna. What was I gonna say? Oh, on the SDF network. So Stellar Decentralized Foundation Network. What is the SDF network though? Wait, is momentum changing here? Oh, I should have stayed in. That was a really bad spot to enter. Okay, so I'm hoping that it comes down, picks me up, carries me. Wait, I want to find what chat did you send that in? Was it futures trading? Or off topic? Yeah, off topic. Oh, that was a Tesla phone. Actually, since your Ninja Trader Shark's pretty experienced, I can ask him questions since my uncle's not here too. But you're focused on training. I won't do that to you. But I appreciate you giving the information that you have been. Ninja Trader, if you go in the Discord, if you just mute me on, you can just mute me on TradingView, because I'm in the Discord active trading room. My voice is live, so there won't be lag if you want to have that instead, because I know it's pretty laggy.
Order filled.
Dude, every time I look away from this chart, it fills me up for an order. So I expected this little overshoot for the fast momentum, and on chart 2, okay, it closed way beneath what I thought I was going to close. Okay, now I'm losing good money. It's getting rejected pretty high here at this second extreme band. I think this really is just the counter reaction from it trying to capture the slow momentum on chart 1 and 4. So it is my belief still that it's going to rip up here, because it got rejected down. As you can see, it literally got rejected down here. It couldn't even close. Oh wait, it's still going. Never mind, I'm an idiot. But at least on chart 2, I see that it didn't close, and there's a strong level right here. If you guys can see this little gray line, this is a strong level on my chart 2. And it touched it, reacted, and went up. So I can only assume that's going to continue to go up. That's how I'm hoping, at least. We try to make bread out here. Okay, it's pushing through all our indicators on chart 2. Even here, momentum is somewhat shifting on the 5-minute chart. I'm thinking that it's not beating this strong level. It wants to come up here and test this RDA. It's probably going to come up here and test the fast momentum indicator first, and then obviously it has to break through the strong level and then test slow and then the RDA. But I can see it moving up here for now. And if I catch this low because I caught it at a good spot. If I catch this low and just let it wrap me up, I could get some good profits. I should have put my stop loss a little farther when I was up here or down here, and I could have just rid this whole thing up. But I like to participate. SDF is okay. Cool. Yeah, Ninja Trader, I'll take this and I'll copy this. Actually, I'll just look at this right now. Stellar Decentralized Exchange Assets. Whoa. What is this? For anyone who can't see, I'll share it to... how do I copy this thing? Okay. I'll share this in the YouTube chat. I know you guys are probably doing your own thing, but if you want to look, this is what our other chat is talking about in Trading View from our good friend Trade Shark. So that is the Stellar Decentralized Exchange. I'll put my stop loss right here. I'm just put it a little bit above for now. I want this thing to kind of... I know it's got to play around a little bit. Unless it just wants to rip up. It is best to explore when down trading so you're not distracted. Okay. I'm telling you, if you guys trust... If anything, trust Rexdog and trust Ninja Trader Shark. This dude's got some good info. Rexdog's got some good info. But yeah, for those of you watching, I've only been trading for a week, so... I mean, that's the truth of it. And really, it wasn't... Yeah, I'll just say a week. I'll be very sad if this comes back down. I need some music. If anyone hasn't yet, I recommend you go to the Discord, go to the music chat. I sent a great music video in here. I know we're trading right now, but I'm kind of letting this thing ride up, so I'm really... I got my stop loss here. Let it ride up. You can take me out if it needs to. But if you go up to the chat and you go up like to the second video, it's called When the Smart Kid Gets in the Studio. It's a pretty good song, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty funny. If you enjoy like comedic bars as well, it's pretty fire. It's funny and fire. So it's reacting here. It looks like it wants to close above. If it closes above this, if it closes above this slow momentum, it could be an overshoot, or it could rip up and go to test the RDA, which is what I'm hoping for, because I can just ride that and then sell up there. What does ES mainly mean? Or ES? I'm looking at the Stellar Decentralized Exchange Assets. You pull out of here. Pull out of here.
Order filled.
Down here again. So I made like 40 bucks off that. It's okay. Almost at 500, so I'm going to try to cash this pullback again. It could rip down too, honestly. But it has to be almost... If you're looking at chart 2, it has to be almost 4 strong levels of... First of all, it has to
Order
capture
filled.
momentum again. It looks like it's doing it. Now I'm a little nervous. If this thing rips down, I'm not going to make it place. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that might have been a minor overshoot for testing RDA.
Order filled.
Buy 3 more here. Lower down my basis for where my trade was at originally. That might have been a very bad decision, honestly. Looks like sellers are stepping up here. I might want to get out. Yeah, I'm getting nervous. I still think this is like slightly an overshoot. I should have entered down lower, like at this strong level down here. It would have been a way better entry point, but yeah, it's just
Order filled.
oh, just lost $50, man. It's tough. It's a rough life. Yeah, I called it. I knew I should have gone short here. Figured that would be a huge reaction. 3 overshoots of the RDA on chart 2. Here you can just kind of see it. Tested it, and now it's doing a huge impulse down. If it comes down to here, this strong level, yeah, I'm buying here. Where was that? I think it's going to rip down even further. I think it's going to come down and test. Maybe not. I shouldn't enter here. I'm trying to fade the market though. I don't know if this is smart.
Order filled.
Yeah, no, this is not smart.
Order filled.
I need to find a good entry point here. I think that was a good entry too. That would have ended right here. I think that's where it wants to. Okay. I don't know. This is a little weird area. It's starting to get a little volatile. Volatile. Yep. But yeah, I think it's gonna rip down. I think it's just gonna go down. It might just go down. Maybe test this area right here. Put a line right here. So that's like the low. Okay. That's also the 5-minute chart. Let's see over here. Yeah, that's like the low. Okay. And that's the first time it's been tested. Oh, second. Over here, second test. Yeah, I honestly think it's going to go long here then. See what you trade, trade what you see. Okay. I hope you don't think I hope you don't think I'm dumb. But I honestly think it's going to go long here. I think it's going to come down here and test this. I think it's going to shoot up. Because this is the first test and it impulsed down to here. And impulse was stopped. Momentum was stopped short here. I forget what this is called. My uncle explained something to me like this. I forgot what it's called, but he said the best way to explain it is imagine a huge... Oh, no. That's just saying. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, thank you. Ninja Trader. He was saying that see what you trade, trade what you see for all the other chats. Just saying that it was a saying. But, yeah, so it's kind of reacting here too. Up 436. Attaboy, eh? AZJ. Oh, wait, you talking about me? Oh, thank you. That was in the Discord, sorry. Forget you guys are not looking at all the chats like I am. I don't know what to do here. I kind of want to fade this. Like, as soon as it comes down and tries to test this, I really want to fade this. Although it doesn't seem as smart. I'm just seeing this as a this seems like a very strong reaction zone. From what the chart is giving me, this is the first time it's tested this level. At least from what I can see, looking far back. Oh yeah, it's last time I tested this level was in... Where is it? Right here is 224. So almost 4 days ago. Wait, is it March? Oh, I guess it is March. Like 6 days ago. Okay. And the market has a good memory, is the saying that my uncle has taught me. And I will take that information and I will do with it what I must. I'm buying here. I'm confident that it's gonna. Never mind, it's just leaving me in the dust. It didn't even come. It did just test the spot I originally said it was going to. This strong level right here is that bottom. Well, that's rough. Yeah, it reacts here. There's not even a strong level created down here. I'm gonna sell market here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna hope for a slight pullback before it cut. I still believe it's going long in the long run. Actually, I don't believe that. I think it's gonna go short. The hour chart is still telling me short, but the low it's at is it's continuously being tested and it's holding. So, in my belief, even on the charts, on the 4 chart setup, everyone that can see it, it's trying to capture momentum and it's trying to go test the RDA. It just has not held momentum or captured it fully. It's kind of overshooting and coming back down and going short. So I think in the long run, it's probably going to go short. I still think it wants to come up here and test the RDA. I think regardless if it's going short or not, I think it still wants to come test this RDA. Because it's been away from the RDA. It doesn't really matter how long, but the RDA is a magnet. So I'm always be thinking how it's going to come up there and test it and when. Up 19. I don't know if I should pull out. I don't think it's going to go down anymore. I think it wants to just test this level, rip back up, and then probably for the rest of the day it's probably going to go short. Like Ninja Trader was saying, it's... Oh, it closed below. It might rip down here. There's still this strong level that has to get past. Seems like it doesn't want to beat it. I'm going to pull out of here. I think it's going to react and go up. If it goes past this fast, getting out. It's holding somewhat. It's trying to recapture momentum. Oh, it failed. Seller step up. It's kind of hard to explain to you guys what I'm seeing because, like I said, I'm on the 4 chart setup. And I'm using my tick chart, so it's a little different. Everyone's pretty quiet. Everyone's just kind of trading, doing their own thing. I respect it. I get it. Thanks for at least having me on, just listening to me talk. Probably have an annoying voice. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here.
Order filled.
Maybe I can enter again if it comes back down. I think it's gonna go long. I really believe that it's gonna come up here and test this.
Order
At
filled.
least the RDA and at least the RDA or the fast momentum, which those of you who don't know, this orange one right here is the fast momentum, and then the white one is the slow momentum. We call them the M9 and M24.
Order filled.
So I'm going long here, expecting it to react this small overshoot, expecting it to react, come back up. I'm predicting that it comes to test the fast momentum again, overshoots that, tests the slow momentum indicator for, I think this is the 3rd test, and if it captures that slow momentum, it should go long until the RDA. That's the next spot it wants. That's the next really strong level, because this strong level right here is at somewhat of the white momentum indicator, and I assume we'll probably be up there by then. So probably break both these levels. But like I said, we don't know. I don't know. I actually don't know if this is true or not. I'm just, from what the system is telling me, this is what I'm going off of. Up 35, that's pretty good. I should probably put a stop loss in there. I was trying to buy 3 contracts, but you live and you learn. If it pulls back again here, I think it's just going to go and test that bottom level. And if it does that, your boy will be buying, and I will be fading the market like I'm Kobe. Oh, that's what I wanted to see. Okay, so it on the tick chart, on chart 2, for those who can't see, it just recaptured both bias and momentum. It could be an overshoot here. This could be where I should sell. I'm going to wait and see if it captures and holds. I believe it's going all the way. He's going all the way. I kind of want to get out here and try to fade, reverse, and go short, because I think that might actually work. So I think it wants to go down. I'm just happy, we're in the profit. We're in the green. It's a green day. That's good. Even though you guys are probably bored. Sorry. First, good green day I've had with low fees. Even though 109 is still a lot of fees. But I had 8. This is probably going to sound bad. But yesterday I was trying to test out all my entries. You got 21. Oh. Thank you, sir. Oh my goodness. CPT. What a clutch move, my guy. I appreciate that. CPT on YouTube just told me I had 21 lots as a stop instead of 2, by the way. So I appreciate that. Thank you. Who knows? What if it would have shot down? I would have picked up, 19? Would have been kind of nice. I don't think I can even go to 19 on here. I don't think I have enough margin. So thank you. I appreciate it. And then if in the audios or anything like that's messed up, just let me know in one of the chats and I'll try to fix it as best as I can. My uncle should be back here in maybe probably 20 minutes or so. I don't really know what else to talk about. I'm trying to watch these as well. I just want to know where everybody's from. I just want to know some favorite movies. Just some favorite movies that everyone has. Gotta do my drink. Hey, Rexy. Sorry, guys. I'm just grabbing my donut. I'm a fat boy. Are you still friends with Pickle? Pickle who? Wait, who's Pickle? I feel like was that a dude for my first stream? I'm gonna buy here. No. So usually what I would do. Oh, Pickle. Oh. Yeah. My best friend. Yeah. That's crazy. I forgot I called him Pickle in there. Yeah, for those of you who don't know the story, I can tell it, but I don't know how many people are listening anyways. But yeah, it's a pretty funny story. We also have a video on it. I kind of explained my background. But yeah, that dude cannot die. Ninja Trader. I've seen that dude do some crazy stuff. He's from a country state, so he's pretty redneck, and I love it. It's crazy because we're best friends, and I wasn't very country before. I always hunted and rode snowmobiles and ATVs and quads and dirt bikes, but I never was super country. But I used to ride horses and stuff. My family's got a farm, or my aunt does at least. But when I went over there, this dude's singing straight country songs and doing some crazy stuff. It was pretty insane. But now I love country, and I love my area out boots I got. What state? He's from Idaho. Kind of, he's more like Montana. He lives like on the border of Montana, Idaho. Super funny guy. But they get a lot of snow there too. I didn't realize Montana got snow. Because those of you who don't know where I live, I'm not going to tell you, but I live in... Oh, you're from Montana too? That's pretty cool. Well, if you ever want like a Huckleberry Shake or something, just let me know, Ninja Trader. We can go out and get a Huckleberry Shake and some tacos. Yeah, sounds like another guy. Exactly. I have another buddy who lives in Montana. Sorry if I sound weird. I mean a bagel. I should probably start trading. Sorry. But I have a buddy from Montana. Same thing. He's the same exact way. Big old redneck guy. Love him to death. I picked him ourselves up in Flathead. That makes sense. Question for you, Ninja Trader. How old are you? You don't have to answer that either if you don't want to. You seem like you got some experience in life. Like you're an older gentleman. I haven't really gone up from here. I've just been paying fees, dude. I'm tired of this. I needed to make a really good trade. It's kind of just hard. Oh yeah, man. Great state for snowmobiling, biking, hiking, and hunting. True that. Sorry, you guys probably hear me chewing. Sorry. But no, I agree, Ninja Trader. I think it's a beautiful and lovely state. It kind of sucks to drive all the way across if you're going like cross country because it's a long state, but it's very, very nice. I think the people there are pretty dope. Does everyone here know what Cane's is? Cane's chicken fingers? Alright, let me start making some good trades. Okay, it's testing the strong level. Reacting at the fast momentum.
Plug is back.
The plug?
That's me.
This market is so choppy right now, it's killing me. I feel that, Nathan.
I don't know. I'm up 26 grand.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dang.
It's choppy. You just buy that Lowe's. Buy every low you in. But
Yeah, I agree.
Right now we're in the last couple of minutes of the market. Come on, Light, man. You got work, homie. Plug is back.
Dude, I have to make a good trade. It's going to get starting crazy volatile. Volatile. I just want 500. And if I get more than that, I'll get more than that.
Rex Dog Actual come back again. Rex Dog Actual.
Dude, it's just sitting here at this freaking RDA.
I know, but I mean, this is what happens when sometimes it just wants to range out and then you on the afternoon. Then you just got a range trade.
I feel
just
bad.
basically buy the extremes. Did you lose money?
No, I actually gained like 20 bucks, but I've only gained 20 bucks.
It's alright. It's good that you didn't give it back. That's the key.
Yeah. This dude helped me out a bunch. So I actually put a 2 next to this, and it made 21.
It's gonna rip up.
That's what I've been talking about this whole time.
Yeah, it's gonna rip up. It's gonna rip up the last part of the market here. I'm only in 6 lots, so I'm probably gonna end the day around 30K.
I want to participate. I think I'm gonna try to buy if it pulls back here.
Well, you're gonna have to chase it probably, or try to get him to pull back. Hey, buddy.
Yeah,
What's
I'm
up,
gonna try to
man?
get it pulled back here.
What's up, little doggy? You been trading too? Yeah, Rex has been trading. I know these guys trade.
I'll go heavy. I'm going heavy here. I'm going 24 lots.
It's a little crazy.
Yeah, you guys better get ready. I'm going 24 lots, and I'm fading this move. Yeah. Some people are just built different. What can I say? Ninja Trader and I have been having some good conversations in the chat.
That's good.
He's from Montana.
Okay.
I'd like to participate in this. So if you could pick me up, that'd be amazing. Come on. Just help brother out. Pick me up. We can pick me up and we can hang out. We can ride all the way up there to the RDA.
I'm still staying in my sick lots, trying to ride this thing all the way up to the moon.
Where's this shoot down? I kind of want to buy here. I'm not going to chase this.
Yeah. Time to get in is back when I told you to get in.
Yeah. I think now I'm just going to try to fade this. This is what happens in the afternoon. This is how I could lose all my money.
Well, it's testing the VWAP now, so I'm taking 2 of my 6 off.
It literally just shot over. And it's come to test. Okay.
The positive is that you didn't give all your money back in the afternoon.
Yeah. And just people who are actually think I didn't make this in the morning, I really did.
Yeah.
I don't think I can even fake this.
Well, no, you can't fake it. Even in demo, I don't think you can fake.
Yeah, no, because I tried.
Well, I don't think. No, you can't fake a P&L in demo.
No, I know. That's what I'm saying. I tried.
I don't think you can fake. I mean, you can't fake it in a real account, but I don't think you can fake it in demo.
No, I don't think you can. Because I can only change my balance. But, like, even when I had a bad balance
What some gurus do is they trade 2 accounts and then they show whatever account they're up on.
Oh, that's pretty smart.
It's not smart. It's scandalous.
Oh,
That's what bettors do.
But it's still smart, you know.
But what bettors do, the people that sell betting on Instagram, they do the same thing. They take the same bet and then they only show their winners. So it's like,
It makes sense.
yeah, it makes sense, but it's like,
Yeah, well, obviously it's scandalous, but I mean,
it is scandalous.
no, I'm not saying it's not. I'm saying it is. You gotta do what you gotta do out here.
I guess.
I mean, it's just the reality of the world nowadays.
Well, I know. I mean, everybody's trying to flex, but that doesn't mean that it's right.
It's testing this level. Does it break it? The true question. I'm thinking so badly just to buy just one contract, just write it up.
Well, you're about 15 minutes up. I mean, that's a participation trade, but it's at the VWAP now, so I might come back and test it.
It's also testing the RDA. I knew it would do this. I called it from down here and I didn't, and I literally didn't even participate. What a fail. Next time, that won't happen. I don't know what it's doing here. It's just kind of reacting. This could be an overshoot, but it wants to test the RDA. It needs it. I think of the RDA as a lost love. The RDA is that girl that got away. No, actually, you know what the RDA is?
Don't know the RDA.
Huh? Tell you about it? The RDA, you know what the RDA is?
Sure.
I'm telling you, it's that toxic chick, and you always go back to her.
I don't know. The RDA seems to be pretty reliable.
Well, no, I think it's reliable. I'm saying it's that toxic chick. The market wants to go back and talk to her for a minute, and then it leaves, and it's heartbroken. It wants to go back and talk to it again. Rickstock Ave. What do you mean by that? Dude, I don't know what this. We are getting to like the last 15 minutes of the market, so you gotta be pretty careful here. But I still would like to participate. The chick you want to DM late at night. Yeah, see, Moneytron gets it. Yeah, It's like when you get really drunk and all of a sudden you have the you have the thoughts where you're fighting demons and you're like, should I call her? That's the RDA. I always want to come back. Yep. I feel it, Mitron. That's how it works. The one that got away. I really would like to participate here. I feel like I'm the one kid in class that just didn't get picked for dodgeball. This hurts. I would like to participate. It's just kind of stuck here. Test this strong level again. Gets rejected. Been there, I've been rejected. Actually, I do the rejected. Isn't that right, Unc?
Yeah.
We reject out here.
Well, I think it's playing around with the VWAP right now. It's deciding does it want to celebrate. You might see in the last 10 minutes it just ripped. So sometimes the last 10, literally like right after the 30 seconds after the 50 hits,
Mm-hmm.
it just rips. And it rips in either. Sometimes you'll see a spike down and then a spike up.
Yeah. I could have gotten so many of these good trades, or I could have been a, it is what it is.
I used to just trade the last half hour, but it's hard. You gotta get used to it.
Yeah. I like the high volume movements. I like when, is Uncle Elite still on? Your name's Uncle Elite. Heck yeah.
I'm sticking with my Rex dog, actually.
Yeah. Nathan, he's actually offended by this.
By what?
Uncle Elite.
Oh.
He's actually Rickstock actual.
Yeah.
But I think he's still long. Are you still long?
Yeah, I'm still in my trade. I have 4 lots, and I'm gonna ride that till the close. Then I'll get out. Go flat. I mean, I might ride it past the close, but I mean, I'm probably gonna end the day right around 28, 30 grand.
Okay. That's nice. Oh. Now it's getting real volatile. Hold on.
Yeah, I told you right.
Sellers stepping up.
Right around the 50. But right about now, you're gonna see it probably make one move. Like right around about 30 seconds after the 50 hits, it typically will make one impulsive move.
I would like to participate.
Order filled.
Sometimes it just ranges out, but other times it does make one impulsive move.
Okay. This is not a good participation.
It's gonna probably move up, but it might rip down too. But usually the move that it's going, it does a false break and then it moves up fast. So like right here you'd be buying right here, and then basically you're either risking that it's gonna rip down to the next level and you're gonna be taken out on your stops, or
Yeah, close
it's gonna rip up and
Order filled.
Just lost $4. Is Uncle Elite Rex Dog? Yes. He is Rex Dog actual.
Yeah, I used to be ex-Cavallis, but now I changed to the Rex Dog actual.
Yeah, he used to be Cavalis.
Yeah.
Technically, we still are Cavalis.
Yeah, it doesn't show up like in my DMs. It doesn't use my.
No, I should have bought that here. What am I doing?
I probably should just change that, but I don't know if I can change that.
Should participate. I would just like to hang out. Rex Dog RDA. Are you asking me a question in Straight Shark, or are you just announcing the RDA? It's about 10 minutes left. I really want to get in a trade here. Let's see. So this strong level, I see it getting tested. So if it closes underneath those indicators, then this is the level it wants to go to. This is where it.
Order filled.
Oh.
Might see it's just a rip up here. Might just go up to right around 1210 or 12,000. It's trying to get to 12,000.
Order filled.
Shoot. Shoot up. Shoot up. You must. Maybe I should give it a little more room. I just don't want to. I don't really want to test it if it's pretty volatile here. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Should go test the RDA. Go call your baby girl up here. She's far, man. She's far. Come on, Market. I know you want to go. Just listen. Listen to me. We can ride it out together. We can be friends. It's gonna take me out. There's no way it doesn't take me out here, right? It literally touched me.
I don't know. It might just range out in this zone.
Mm-hmm.
But it doesn't want to recapture the VWAP. But usually you see at least one more spike. And it might happen right on the close.
Oh my god. It's fondling me.
Stop filled.
It was tickling me there for a second, getting a little frisky. I didn't think it would take me out, but it did. Sellers are really stepping up here.
It could be just people taking profit too.
Oh yeah. Ooh, is it gonna come down? If it comes down, I have a good buy spot. I have a good entry.
Well, I mean, you're running out of market time, so.
Yeah, dang it. I know a lot of people didn't really get to
Most
see him.
people are already out of their trades by now, or they're just like me. I'm waiting to get taken out on stops, or for it to spike up. But most people are kind of out of the market already, unless they're getting in a good position, then they're usually out.
Oh, it's starting to get a little frisky. It's really trying to. It's really reacting here.
Well, it's like I said, it's the last. You really can't. I mean, by now, there's unless you see an obvious trade. Just
Yeah, I'm not doing anything with it. I'm sad. Well, we ended it on a green day. 425 profit. Watching 927. This is what Ninja Trader Shark says he's watching. 927? That's like crazy far down. I guess it's not that far actually, huh? Magnet level close. If it goes all the way down there, I'll buy you a beer. In Montana or Idaho. So looks like it's slowing down. Okay, well my P&L for the day, 425. Fees I have are 115. 150 contracts. That's actually my lowest amount of contracts.
Yeah, it's good. Probably. I mean, still a little bit over trading, but
Yeah. And then I have 50 trades. But I think I had like 42 before, so I think I did 8 trades in this whole like 2 hours, which I'm terribly sorry for. Okay. Well, thanks everybody for tuning into the stream. I don't know if actually I'm ending it yet, but thank you guys at least for tuning in. Watching me trade. Dude, Burns charts. The gray background with the black and white. I love it. ladies and gentlemen, I'm just gonna kind of get on my trades here. Do my set. I don't know if everyone else has this, but I have my shutdown procedure just like everyone. And well, I guess we're just kind of sitting here. Should I end the stream?
Yeah, I mean, there's probably nothing you have to say.
Oh well, thanks for tuning in. If you guys liked the stream or liked the video, that'd be awesome. Sorry it was kind of slow for a bit, but you can see I'm somewhat making progress. Like I said, I've only been training for a week, just trading the system as I know it, and well, as you can see, it's working out. Cause I still don't know a lot. I'm just kind of following the signals that I'm getting from my indicators. But thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. What just happened?
Did you get out of
OBS.
Yeah.
So stop streaming on here.
Yeah, and then shut down. Make sure you get off Discord too. And then shut down. Did you tell people to join Discord?
Yeah. Wait, take a few bucks, buy some Mr. Tweet with some XLM found on elm.org. Hold a minimum of 1,000 or 10,000. Cost is under 2 cents. Be part of Elon Empire to come. Mr. Trader? Or, sorry. Ninja Trader, sorry. That sounds crazy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna copy this. xlm.org. Oh, it's ripping.
Hi Trina, this is Scott Scanlon. I'm trying to log into my account or the Pavilo account.
Okay, Pavilio, yeah.
But I've never got a login or password or anything, so maybe I did somewhere, I don't know where it's at. I'm a new client or a new customer or whatever.
Yeah, for sure. What was your last name?
Scanlon, Scanlon.